Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern King County in northeastern Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hampshire or near Hunley, moving east at Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Carpentersville, Valley View, and Greek Road, Sleepy Hollow, St. Charles, Algonquin, Hunley, Barrington Hills, West Illinois, until 6:45.
Rise will be here.
KZ, the 81 Lockport.
Grove, Wayne, West Dundee, Camden Hills, Burlington, Hampshire, East Dundee, Elgin, South Elgin, Sleepy Hollow, St. Charles, Algonquin, Hunley, Barrington Hills, West Chicago, and Bartlett. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.